trip from Barrington to Bigfoot Lake Geneva. Let's get it. Yamaha R7. These guys got some cruisers. I got a Ninja down here. We rolling, boys. All right. He's the leader today. Should I take him over or no? Y'all think this R7 got it? Oh, he racing, huh? He trying to race? Oh, he definitely trying to race. I'm gonna stop. I don't want to show off. I'll keep it cool. Keep it cool. Yo, it's actually pretty nice weather today. I'm wearing a t-shirt, and then on top of that I'm wearing a hoodie. No gloves. Y'all can roast me in the comments. I got a helmet and a jacket and boots and decent pants on though, so gotta save money somewhere, so the gloves had to go. I'm kind of sad summer is ending soon. Oh, look at this guy. Look at this guy. He got a GoPro too. Actually, it's not a GoPro. It's a DJI. Gotta give him some shots. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We got two people in the back. I don't know if you guys can see in the mirror, but this Ninja trying to sneak up on me. No, boy, no, no, let's go. Oh, look, we got some bikes right there. We got 5 people in our gang. I got 2 Triumphs in the front. I got a Ninja in the back. And all the way in the back, there's another Triumph. And then I got my Yamaha R7. I'm kind of sad, man. It's Chicago. And you know, the season is coming to an end. So I'm gonna have to store these bikes in soon. So we're just trying to get as much riding time as we can. Lake Geneva should be fun. I haven't been there in a while, but hopefully it's a decent crowd out there. It's not too crowded. It is a Labor Day weekend. We'll see what happens. Stupid construction. You know, that's one bad thing about Chicago. Summer comes and construction is everywhere. Everywhere. You cannot get away from construction. Whee! Crazy bumps out here. But man, Yamaha R7, man, this bike is smooth. I used to ride a Honda CBR. That one was, I feel like, definitely more geared towards speed. This one is not as fast as CBR or other competitor bikes out there. Not even as fast as Yamaha R6. But man, this bike is beautiful. It has decent power. It's not crazy. If you're not really looking to race all the time, then you don't really need a R6 or R1 in the city. This bike is amazing for city riding, where you're gonna be stopping, going all the time. You're never gonna, for like R1, you're never really gonna use the power of 1,000cc in the city. Unless you're planning on going on tracks and stuff, you don't really need a R1 if you're just planning on driving in the city. But if you want to track it, do all those crazy stuff, then yeah, you know, that's what you need. But for me, R7, it does the job. I plan on keeping it. I think the only modification I think I'm gonna do during the end of next winter or this coming up winter is just put some kind of exhaust on it. But other than that, man, this bike is perfect. No issues at all. So I didn't even put my GPS on. I'm just following these guys. But I believe the drive is almost an hour. And we're going all local, you know, just to enjoy the view, the scenery. It's supposed to be a nice route, so far I'm just cruising. Come on, Ninja, get out the way, bro. Get out the way. Oh, he wants to race, huh? Now he wants me to slow down. I can't hear you. I don't know what he said, but it sounded like he wanted to race. Come on, Ninja, get out the way, bro. Damn. Yeah. Man, it's such a beautiful weather today. You know, in Chicago, we don't get too many days like this, especially on a weekend. Every time I'm trying to ride on a weekend, it's either raining or it's way too hot or just something comes up. But today, it's a long weekend and the weather is perfect. Alright, that Ninja is out the way. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He wants to stop at a gas station? We got a mid-trip meeting, boys. Oh man, this ninja back again?
A few moments later.
Man, this ninja keeps coming in front of me, bro. Alright, we're just looking for a coffee place to grab some coffee. I don't know if you're gonna see anything here, but maybe if I see a Dunkin', we'll stop. Oh my goodness, this ninja. Ow, all these bumps. What the hell is this? Some zoo? Don't stop, don't stop. Keep rolling, keep rolling. Just keep rolling. Just don't want to put my foot down, you know. Let's go, bobber. That's a Triumph bobber. Oh, I had to show off a little bit. All right, that's out of my system. I'm just gonna chill now. Let these guys catch up. Oh, what this guy doing, bro? Come on, get out the way. Hey. See, construction again. My buddy got flat tires back to back. He went out, got a flat tire, came back, fixed it. Next week, took it out again. Guess what? Got a flat tire again. Talk about luck, huh? I've never seen anyone that had two back-to-back flat tires. First time he replaced the tire completely. And then the second time, I don't think it was exactly a flat tire, but something happened. All of his air came out. He had to take it in and they had to replace some part. Not sure what, but they did something, and now he got his bike back. But if he keeps riding on this construction street, shit. Third flat tire might be on the way. Even my bike might get a flat tire, who knows? Where are these guys at? This minivan gotta get out the way. I don't even have GPS. I'm gonna let this minivan go. Alright, the boys are back. The boys are back. What happened? What happened? Huh? No, I just pulled over so I can let this car in front of me. Yeah. Ah. Yeah, yeah. Find any coffee place? No, I'm good. Find any coffee place? Coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah.
I mean, if you see something, just stop. I'm gonna give it 5, 7, 10 minutes more.
man, I'm really liking this ride right now. So peaceful. Get away from work. Don't have to think about work for a bit, you know. Just get out and just ride with the boys. Why he gotta get in front of me like that for no reason? We're looking for a coffee place, so struggling to find one. I thought there was a Dunkin' at every block. What the hell's this? You know, you can't find something when you're looking for it. When you're not looking for it, you'll see one at every corner. But we've been riding for about 15 minutes looking for a Dunkin' Donuts. Haven't seen one yet. We got a Taco Bell, we got McDonald's, we got Walgreens, we got everything except Dunkin' Donuts. Can you believe that? No Dunkin' Donuts. We even got a smokehouse. Just no Dunkin' Donuts. What this guy talking about? Oh shit, Dunkin' Donuts. Look at that. Look at that. We got Dunkin' Donuts. Alright, boys. I will. This guy lets me make the turn. Oh, he definitely let me make the turn. Come on, girl. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Come on. Come on. Look at that. Messed me up. What happened? Alright, boys, we back in business. Just wrapped up Dunkin' Donuts. We sat there for like 30 minutes just chilling, hanging out. Now we back to Lake Geneva. Oh man, look at that. It's awesome. This ninja back again. This guy just won't give up. Oh damn, didn't even see this guy. He's just chilling on the middle of the street. Somewhere chilling in the farmland. train tracks, sometimes these be bumpy as hell, so you better slow it down or else you feel it in your butt. Oh man, that was awesome. Look at this bobber boy finally using his signals. We going left. I don't know why he there though. Now this little ass ninja trying to catch up. I don't know why I'm in the front. I don't even have a GPS on. So, your boy flying blind right now. Oh, he back. He back. He's back. Man, he got a water bottle and everything. This dude came prepared. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Solar panel. Damn, I need one of that on top of my roof. Save some electricity a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you guys saw that, but this bobber guy in front of me just got rejected hard. There was a Harley coming from the other side. He did his, you know how all the bikers always give that little signal. I guess it's a sign of acknowledging that you're also a biker. But this guy did it, and the other guy said, "Shut your ass up." He gave nothing back. This bobber boy put his hand down like nothing happened. But you guys already know, I caught that shit. Oh. Where he going? Where he going? He trying to take a detour or what? Oh my goodness. Oh, he lost. He just left. He said, I'm out, guys. He said, I'm out. stop here, wait for him to take a U-turn. Alright, it's time to roll. Alright, we back in business. Oh, this guy running in the farmland. See, I'm flying blind. I don't got GPS, so I'm dependent on these guys to let me know what's going on. Here we are. This is it. This is Lake Geneva. We made it, boys. We made it. For the people that don't live in Chicago, this is what we came to. It's our little beach. Well, it's not exactly in Chicago. This I think counts as Wisconsin, but